From December 1st to December 24th, I will be posting daily videos. Each day, I will be making a different quilt block with you guys. I will get up, walk the dog, get myself a cup of tea, and pick a quilt block. And then I will cut the fabric and make it. This is my very first Vlogmas, and it may just be my last because it is going to be insane. Will you join me? Then don't forget to tap the notification bell to make sure you do not miss out on any of the videos. I think I'm ready to start. Are you? And we're back to stars. And this is actually called a friendship star quilt block because Christmas with your friends is just a little bit happier, don't you think? And quite honestly, so am I after making this quilt block. A quick reminder that if you want to know about the materials, the tools, and the filming gear I used for this video, you can check out the links in the description.